what's up? My name is Pony and I'm welcoming you to OVTV. If this is your first time to be here, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more videos to come. Today I want to teach you on how to get the addresses and phone numbers for places with your cell phone. Please get ready. When you text a specific or generic name of a place and the zip code of the area you're in, Google will text you back the addresses and phone numbers of what you're looking for. Here are the steps. Number 1, put in your text box the title of the place you want. For example, thrift stores, music shops, bookstores, or whatever you want. Number 2, enter space and choose a zip code. For example, 49333 or 49508 or anything as long as it's 5 digits. Number 3, send the message to 46645. This is the number for Google. It is important that you put the number correctly. Number 4, send the message and in less than a minute later, you shall receive text messages from 46645 giving locations to different places. Then you're done, really done. It is simple, you see. If you like this video, make sure you comment, like, and share to your friends. See you next time.